So over here, you can see that I got different events right here. And then what you can also do with the events in Thunderbird is choose categories for it. So you can go ahead and right click on that particular event for that and then click on edit. So once you go ahead and you can see that you can only edit this occurrence or edit all the occurrence, as this is a repetitive event. So I'm going to edit all occurrences right here. And once I go ahead and do that, this is what you have, as you can see. Over here, you see the category option right here. So you can go ahead and select the category that you want to apply this particular event to, and then click on save and close. And then you get the category aligned onto this particular event, as you can see. Let's say, for example, I got this particular event as well, and to add a category to it, right click and then click on edit, and then you can go ahead and choose the category for this right here. There's a special color code applied to it, and you can see the color code over here, just like this as well. Even when I were to create a new event, you can see that I can go ahead and select out a category right here and create out an event as well. So that is how you can go ahead and categorize calendar events inside of Thunderbird. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.